particularly important today is to have a partnership in development of our health systems. They are well advanced in healthcare management information systems, and we hope that in due course of our partnership, we will be able to improve our health management information systems. The MOU includes exchange of staff, medical personnel from Baringo County and Gyeonggi province in South Korea, exchange of ideas and technology research into both tropical diseases and chronic diseases in the world. They were one of the leading countries in the world to manage the COVID challenge in 2019.
We are pleased today as Baringo County Assembly to host the members of Gyeonggi Provincial Assembly, the Department of Health, the Committee for Health, and we wish to confirm that really that the devolution in South Korea and devolution in Kenya is likely the same. And as such, we are looking forward to partnership between ourselves as Baringo County Assembly and the Assembly. We also want to confirm that the members of Assembly are here for a visit and to sign this memorandum of understanding.